Welcome to the comprehensive guide to understanding Axie Infinity Axie stats in 2025. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Each Axie has unique stats that determine its performance in battles. To start, there are 6 base stats in Axie Infinity: health, morale, skill, speed, attack, and defense. Health determines how much damage an Axie can withstand before being knocked out. Morale affects an Axie's ability to critically hit and dodge attacks. Skill influences the effectiveness of an Axie's cards. Speed determines which Axie goes first in a battle. Attack and defense stats are self-explanatory, with attack dealing damage to opponents and defense reducing damage taken. Each Axie also has a class, which is determined by its body parts. There are 9 classes in total, and each class has its strengths and weaknesses. Understanding the class system is crucial in creating a well-rounded team of Axies. When evaluating an Axie's stats, consider its overall balance and how it fits into your team's strategy. A good Axie should have a balance of high stats in areas that are important for its role in the team. For example, a tank Axie should have high health and defense, while a damage dealer should have high attack and speed. Breeding Axies is also an essential aspect of the game, as it allows you to create new Axies with desirable stats. When breeding, consider the stats of the parent Axies and how they will be passed down to the offspring. In conclusion, understanding Axie stats is vital to success in Axie Infinity. By grasping the base stats, class system, and breeding mechanics, you can create a powerful team of Axies and dominate in battles. Always consider the balance of stats when evaluating an Axie, and use breeding strategically to create the perfect team. With practice and patience, you can become a master Axie Infinity player and take your gameplay to the next level.